Happy birthday,
Come on,
happy
David, clap for
birthday,
Tama.
happy birthday to you. Oh, blow yan na, blow, blow. Hard. Wow, one lang ah.
Mom, how you made that?
Maybe that,
I think it's for Daddy.
no, that's spicy and you cannot eat that spicy. This
This
one,
is for you.
that is for you. Mashed
This
potato
is
and
for
then this one.
Tawa.
Yes.
And this is for Dad. How will do it?
It's not yours also.
Sure now. She's just trying to acclimate.
Stand up here.
Tara, stand up din. Stand up. Mati kay.
Ang bigat mo.
Nako.
You happy, ha?
Yan. O, Kylie.
Wait lang. Ito pa.
How often you get that, bro? Quite a lot, I imagine.
What's that?
Kylie. Oh, David. Asa ka na, David? Anak ko, si David wala.
David, come! Oh, naku, si Kaylin na lang.
Oh, doon. Picture ka dun sa kanila. No, later I will blow pa the cake. Picture muna kay Ate Kyla. Picture.
Tama.